Good morning, students, and welcome to the English classroom. Today, the topic which I have chosen for you is from writing skills, that is, information transfer from a paragraph into a tree diagram. I have written a paragraph on the blackboard for you, which I'm going to read it out to you. Just see and listen to it carefully and try to understand. The paragraph is about mint. The question is, read the paragraph given below and prepare a tree diagram. This question will come to you for 5 marks for writing skills. I am reading the paragraph for you. Mint requires plenty of water to grow. In fact, the soil in which it grows should have good water holding capacity without interlogging. Mint grows well in tropical climates where the summer temperature is high. It can even grow in humid and temperate conditions. Mint is grown mainly in Europe and Asia. Mint has various uses. It can be used to prepare medicines, for seasoning and garnishing foods, flavoring beverages, syrups and jellies. Mint is also used to make appetizing chutneys. I have finished reading the paragraph for you and you have understood the paragraph. It's a very easy one. It's about mint. Mint, as you know, in Hindi, it is called as pudina, that we all see in the vegetable market. Also, you can grow it at home. It is very good for us, and the uses are given in that paragraph, that it is useful for making various dishes, for preparing medicine, for seasoning and garnishing food. It is also used for flavoring beverages, syrups, jellies. It is used for medicines. It's used in toothpaste. It is used in number of things, and especially your favorite food item, that is pani puri. So these are the uses of mint, and the other requirements are also given, that it requires a plenty of water to grow. It grows in a good water holding capacity. Now students, we are going to learn how to make a tree diagram. First, you can see on the blackboard, I have already drawn a tree diagram for you. You give the title as Facts About Mint. It is written in capital block letters, as you can see it. Below, I have done 5 divisions. The first division is water, then soil, then climate, the places it is grown, and the 5th one is uses. Underwater comes the point that it requires plenty of water. So no need to write full sentence. You just write the point here, plenty of water required. Second point is soil. What kind of soil is required for mint? That information is given in the paragraph. It requires good water holding capacity and no water logging. The third point is climate. What kind of climate does mint require? It requires tropical, high summer temperature, humid temperature, temperate conditions. The fourth point is the places where it grows. It grows in Europe and it grows in Asia. Then the 5th point is uses. Now here also there is no need to write whole sentences. Just pick out the points. What are the uses? It is required in medicine. It is used for seasoning or garnishing. It is used for flavoring syrups, beverages, jellies, and to make chutneys. So in this way our tree diagram is ready. When you do it on the paper, see that it is done with the help of a scale and a pencil. A proper tree diagram with proper measurement is made, and you have to do it either you do it horizontally on the paper or you do it vertically. Horizontally will be a little better, because it will take the whole page. Then you will see that I have written proper points, like plenty of water is required. It is tropical, high, summer, temperate zone, etc. In this way, students, we have already prepared the tree diagram, that is fact about mint. Be very careful that your handwriting is good. The title is very important. The format of the answer is also required. There are marks for it. Facts about mint, you have to write it in capital letter, and you can see that arrows which are there to show the various divisions are made properly, and see that all the points are covered. You will not add any extra point, neither you will deduct any information given in the paragraph. Thank you and have a nice day.